Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the G4 notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the G4 notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery. Removal: loosen the two captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the accessory cover identified with a hard disk, wireless, and memory icon to the base enclosure. Lift the rear edge of the accessory cover and remove it. Note: the primary and expansion memory slots are both located under the accessory cover. The primary memory slot is located on the bottom, and the expansion memory slot is located on top. If an expansion memory board is installed, it must be removed before the primary memory board can be removed. Push both arms outward simultaneously to release the memory module to the spring tension position. Caution: when handling a memory module, use care to prevent touching the memory chips on the board. Touching the memory chips could damage or destroy the memory. Grasp the memory module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Place the memory module in a static dissipative bag. Replacement: grasp the memory module by the edges and remove it from the static dissipative bag. Align the notch in the memory module with the key in the memory module slot on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the memory module into its slot on the system board. Caution: when handling a memory module, use care to prevent touching the memory chips on the board. Touching the memory chips could damage or destroy the memory. Press the memory module down to latch the arms. Tow the accessory cover, identified with a hard disk, wireless, and memory icon, into position and press down along the edges of the accessory cover to secure it to the base enclosure. Tighten the two captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the accessory cover to the base enclosure.